Okay, so today marks the start of my new journey. I will be starting my Microlocs today. I'm kind of nervous because I don't even know why I'm nervous because I don't do my hair at all. At all. I had to recently straighten it because it got so bad to the point it took me like an hour to detangle my hair in the shower. That's how bad it gets. I go weeks without like brushing my hair and washing it, so I'm just like, I can't keep doing this. I need to start off somewhere, and I'm not at the age where I feel like, okay, I can rock the short haircut. Like, I'm not saying there's an age on that, but I feel like it may age me having like a short little curly hairdo. So like my next journey will be these Microlocs, and then maybe 10 years from now, maybe I'll try the short hairstyle, or this will just be it for me. I need to trim this.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra.
Sometimes I wear my hair to the side, so I have to make sure those parts are like in the areas that I wear it, and I always wear my hair in the middle for the most part. So I worked on my hair for a total of like 11 hours. I mean, there was little intermissions from here and there because no one ever stops calling my name in this house. But yes, so 11 hours, I feel like I got a lot done, and I'm actually really excited because when I was in high school, I used to love this hairstyle on me. So, but here's my progress. Okay. Hopefully it looks pretty in the camera. But yeah, so pretty much this is all I have left, like the front. Like everything that's framing my face. I feel like this should probably take me like a total of like 3 hours maybe. I'm probably sizing it, but I feel like it's not that much compared to like my crown, which is like my hardest part to do with any hairstyle. So, but yes, I'm actually going to try my best to record the front. I mean, you wouldn't have been able to see me record the back, so I was just like, we can just skip right through that. But let me stop talking because it's probably really boring. And get right to it. And I'm hot. Hold on, I need my laptop because there's no music and I'm bored. I think I'm getting a cold. That's why I'm so fucking hot. These parts be stressing me out. side in sections, and it seems like I've been I parted this side in sections, and it feels like I've been going through it faster than this side. I kind of want to do this side again because the parts are hideous and nothing is consistent on this side. So after I finish this, I'm probably in a week, because I'm not gonna say I'm gonna do it today. In a week, I'll probably undo some of these and repart it because I'm not happy with the size of them. Some of them are like really long triangles, and I want boxes. Okay, okay, let's get to it. Oh my god.
Don't ever have kids unless you do. In which case,
Finally. I already know I'm gonna have some real good shrinkage once I get this. I spritzed it in, but what do y'all think? I'm so excited. I need to calculate how long it took me, but it's definitely like, I would say like between 15 to 18 hours.
something like that.
excited.
It has to do with his dad's parents. Long story. Tonight's the night.
Yes, I feel cute.